6 foods seniors must eat to prevent muscle weakness and loss. Are you feeling weaker than you used to? Do you find everyday tasks becoming more challenging? Don't let muscle loss slow you down. This video reveals the 6 essential food groups that can help you regain strength, maintain mobility, and live a vibrant, independent life. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. This isn't just about vanity, it's about your quality of life. Muscle loss leads to weakness, increased risk of falls, reduced mobility, and a greater susceptibility to illness. But here's the good news: you can fight back. Diet plays a crucial role in preventing and even reversing muscle decline. By incorporating the right foods into your daily meals, you can fuel your muscles, maintain your strength, and enjoy an active lifestyle for years to come. Protein is the fundamental building block of muscle tissue. Think of it as the bricks and mortar that keep your muscles strong and resilient. Seniors actually need more protein than younger adults to maintain and rebuild muscle mass. Protein supports muscle repair after activity and stimulates new muscle growth. Without enough protein, your body simply can't maintain its muscle mass, leading to weakness and frailty. Excellent sources of protein include lean meats like chicken and fish, which are easy to digest and packed with essential amino acids. Eggs are another fantastic option, offering a complete protein source in a convenient package. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are also great sources of protein and calcium. If you're vegetarian or vegan, beans, lentils, and tofu are excellent plant-based protein choices. The recommended intake is around 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine the right amount for you. Vitamin D is crucial for muscle strength and function. It helps your muscles contract properly and plays a vital role in nerve function, which is essential for muscle coordination. Our primary source of vitamin D is sunlight, but as we age, we may spend less time outdoors, leading to a deficiency. Seniors are particularly vulnerable to vitamin D deficiency, which can significantly impact muscle strength. Dietary sources of vitamin D include fatty fish like salmon and tuna, which are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Fortified milk is another good source, as are eggs, although they contain a smaller amount. Consider a vitamin D supplement, especially during the winter months or if you have limited sun exposure. Talk to your doctor to determine the appropriate dosage for your needs. Potassium is an essential mineral for muscle contraction. It helps regulate fluid balance in your body and plays a critical role in nerve function, both of which are vital for proper muscle function. Without enough potassium, your muscles may become weak, cramped, or fatigued. This can make everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even just standing up more difficult. Good sources of potassium include bananas, the classic go-to fruit for this mineral. Sweet potatoes are another excellent choice, offering a delicious and nutritious way to boost your potassium intake. Spinach, a leafy green powerhouse, is packed with potassium and other essential nutrients. Avocado, a creamy and versatile fruit, is also a good source of potassium and healthy fats. Adequate potassium intake can help prevent muscle cramps and improve overall muscle function. Aim to include potassium-rich foods in your daily diet. Iron is vital for carrying oxygen to your muscles. Oxygen is essential for energy production and muscle function. Without enough iron, your muscles can become weak and fatigued. Iron deficiency, also known as anemia, is a common problem, especially among seniors. It can lead to fatigue, shortness of breath, and decreased muscle strength. Good sources of iron include red meat, which is highly absorbable by the body. Beans and lentils are excellent plant-based sources of iron, especially for vegetarians and vegans. Spinach, again, makes the list, providing iron along with other essential vitamins and minerals. Fortified cereals are another convenient way to boost your iron intake. Vitamin C enhances iron absorption, so pair iron-rich foods with sources of vitamin C like citrus fruits and bell peppers. This will help your body utilize the iron more effectively. Strong bones are essential for supporting muscles. Think of your bones as the framework upon which your muscles are built. Without a strong foundation, your muscles can't function properly. Calcium-rich foods are crucial for bone health, especially as we age. Calcium helps maintain bone density and prevent osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and increases the risk of fractures. Sources of calcium include dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese. Leafy greens like kale and collard greens are also good sources of calcium, although they may be less easily absorbed than calcium from dairy. Fortified plant milks, such as almond milk and soy milk, are another option for those who are lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based alternatives. Combine calcium with vitamin D for optimal bone health. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium more effectively, ensuring that it reaches your bones where it's needed most. Fiber promotes healthy digestion. A healthy digestive system is essential for nutrient absorption. If your body isn't properly absorbing nutrients, your muscles won't get the fuel they need to function optimally. Good sources of fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods not only provide fiber, but also a wealth of other essential vitamins and minerals. Adequate fiber intake can help regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels are important for muscle function, as they provide a consistent source of energy for your muscles. Fiber also helps prevent constipation, a common problem among seniors. A healthy digestive system contributes to overall well-being and supports muscle health. Incorporating these 6 food groups into your daily diet can make a significant difference in maintaining muscle mass and strength as you age. Remember, it's never too late to start prioritizing your muscle health. Consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized recommendations. They can help you create a meal plan that meets your individual needs and preferences. Fueling your muscles with the right foods promotes an active, independent, and healthy life. Don't let muscle loss hold you back. Take control of your health and enjoy all that life has to offer. Ready to take the next step? Download our free guide, The Senior's Guide to Muscle Boosting Meals, by clicking the link in the description below. This guide includes delicious recipes, meal planning tips, and a grocery shopping list to help you get started. Don't wait. Reclaim your strength and vitality today. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on healthy aging.